Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your trusted source for health and wellness tips. Today, I'm excited to share 5 natural ways to whiten your teeth at home. Let's get started. Having a bright, white smile can boost your confidence, but commercial teeth whitening products can be harsh and expensive. Here are 5 natural methods to help you achieve those pearly whites from the comfort of your home. Method number 1: baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix a small amount of baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture for about 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and helps scrub away surface stains, while hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent. Method number 2: coconut oil pulling. Take a tablespoon of organic coconut oil, swish it around in your mouth for 10-15 minutes. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with warm water. Oil pulling helps remove bacteria and can reduce plaque, contributing to whiter teeth. Method number 3: apple cider vinegar. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Swish the solution in your mouth for about a minute. Rinse thoroughly with water. Apple cider vinegar has natural bleaching properties, but be careful to use it sparingly as it can erode enamel. Method number 4: activated charcoal. Dip a clean, wet toothbrush into activated charcoal powder. Brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Activated charcoal can absorb tannins that stain teeth, giving you a brighter smile. Method number 5: lemon and baking soda. Mix a few drops of lemon juice with a small amount of baking soda to form a paste. Apply to your teeth and leave for 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly with water. Lemon juice has natural bleaching properties, but use this method sparingly to avoid enamel erosion. There you have it, 5 natural ways to whiten your teeth at home. Remember, while these methods can help, they should be used in moderation to protect your enamel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Vitamin Doctor for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, keep smiling and stay radiant.